in this video I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube if it isn't showing the full screen. It's pretty quick and easy. So let's jump right into the video. First of all, you have to make sure that you are using the updated version of the YouTube. For this purpose, you simply have to go ahead and tap on your Google Play Store, and here at the top in the search bar you simply have to type YouTube. Now at the right next to YouTube, it will either says opens or update. If it says open like me, which means that you are using the up-to-date and latest version of the YouTube app. But if it is saying update, it means that you need to update your app as soon as possible, because updating your app usually fixes all the bugs and glitches inside the app. Once you will update your app, your issue will be resolved. But unfortunately, if it doesn't resolve your issue, the very next option is that you have to exit this and go to your phone settings. Once you are on your phone settings, scroll down a little bit and tap on where it says app. From the apps, you simply have to search for YouTube. Once you are on the YouTube app info, what you have to do next is simply go ahead and tap on where it says storage and cache. From here, you simply have to clear cache and storage for the YouTube account. From here, you have to keep in mind that it will not delete any of your personal information or any of the video. It will just clear all the glitches or bugs and give you a new and a fresher version of the YouTube app. Then all of your issues will be resolved. And the very last thing to resolve this issue is to go back, and you have to tap on where it says permissions, and here you have to make sure that all the permissions for YouTube are allowed. As you guys can see that I have allowed all the YouTube permissions. That's why my YouTube app is working properly. So you have to allow all the permissions to YouTube, then you will not encounter this type of issue. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.